How to fix Valorant not launching, easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, first just right click on Valorant, then go to properties. Now once you're here, click compatibility and then go to change settings for all users, and now click run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 7, and then click run this program as an administrator, and now just click OK, and after that click OK again, and that's it. Now just restart your PC and try again, try to launch it again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, just type here game mode, and once you're here, enable game mode and disable Xbox game bar, and then go to graphics settings, and here make sure to enable this option, hardware accelerated GPU. You will find it like that, just enable it and then restart your PC, and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.